going to make sandwich. This is mayonnaise. One and a half spoon mayonnaise. And this is leftover sabji. This is tomato ketchup. This is mixed herbs. Now I am going to mix it well. Then spread this stuff on the bread. Spread the cheese all over the bread. Then again add mixed herbs all over the cheese. This is ready to toast. First take a pan and keep it on the flame. Then add oil or butter as you can. Then put bread on the pan. And cover it for 5 minutes. After 5 or 10 minutes, the cheese was melted. Then off the flame and serve it. Let's taste it. It's so tasty. If you like it, then subscribe to my mama's channel.